Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua here, and we're back to our tropical weather analysis for this Tuesday until Friday, April 6 to 9, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Tuesday, and until tomorrow, Wednesday. We have a northeasterly surface wind flow. It's quite strong, blowing across the Philippine Islands. No longer the northeast monsoon since we left that season, while we are now entering the month of April. So the northeast monsoon is no longer here, but only the northeasterly surface wind flow, bringing some windy conditions with dry weather. But in some areas like extreme northern Luzon and the portions of eastern Luzon will have some passing showers in between these bright blue skies. And somewhat drier, the winds will be picking up to 40 kph in some areas, the highest gustiness that will be expected during this northeasterly wind flow. And it's affecting down up to the Visayas area, including the Bicol region, and also portions of Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, Marinduque, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will have dry and hot weather, with temperature reaching as high as 33 degrees, with heat index up to 40 degrees centigrade. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids to protect you for being thirsty, and avoid walking down under direct rays of the sun, because it is likely that we could have some sunburn if we walk, especially during noontime, over open areas. So please take all necessary precautions. Also, right now, the Philippines is having some increase of the COVID cases, so it's better to be at home and just go out if you need to buy essential matters for the house, for the home. So again, let's all pray that this pandemic will begin, and don't forget to be always be healthy, and just follow your usual protocols when it comes to COVID-19. Okay, so here outside the Philippine area of responsibility, we are watching a surface trough that is expected to become a low pressure area in the next couple of days. We are keeping an eye on this. Another trough here. Some of the computer models are forecasting a tropical depression or a low pressure area that will form next week. And some models also suggest formation into a tropical cyclone middle of next week. So we are going to give you that in the next couple of days. So watch out for our weather TV or our video analysis for the latest on this surface trough. Let's hope and pray that it will not affect any part of the Philippine Islands. So as we look at our fast animation, there you go. Here comes the surface trough and the northeasterly surface wind flow, which is somewhat drier. And if we look at our zoom in satellite animation, although drier across Luzon, there are some patches of very small areas of localized thunderstorms, particularly over Visayas, here over portions of Leyte and Samar. Over here, over Mindanao, there are small areas of isolated thunderstorms, but so far the whole of the Philippine Islands is dry, hot, and somewhat windy, particularly if you live along the extreme northern and eastern Luzon, Bicol region, and the Visayas. And as we look at our rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, beginning today, Tuesday, until Thursday or Friday, expect drier conditions to persist with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in some portions of the country, particularly here over western or southwestern Mindanao. And as we look at our windy.com rain and wind plus pressure forecast from the European model. So for tomorrow, Wednesday, the northeasterly trade winds or the northeasterly surface wind flow will still persist across extreme northern and eastern Luzon, Bicol region, and Visayas, with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly over Mindanao. And on Thursday, the wind circulation, the wind system remains over the areas affected by the northeasterly surface windflow. And again, some afternoon thunderstorms will be expected along eastern and southern Mindanao. And if we move to Friday, same weather conditions will be expected all throughout the country with winds from the northeast, but a lighter, weaker amihan, since we are now transitioning into the southeasterly trade winds, the easterlies, and later this month of June, we will move into the southwest monsoon season. So on Friday, we expect the usual thunderstorms, isolated to scattered across Mindanao on Friday, April 9. So that's it. That's the latest for this Tuesday until Friday, and we'll be returning again on Friday to give you more update on the weather, especially the forecasted low pressure area for next week. We are still not going to show it to you since the probability is very low, but we'll give you the very latest come Friday on that potential tropical cyclone for next week. But no worries as of this time. The probability is still low as we speak. So there you go. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.